So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works.
Hey gamers, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this insane mod for the horse riding tails. So this will make you rich. So let me just show you guys. Here are the values. It's really pathetic, but in the mod menu we can actually turn on unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn that on right now, and you guys will see that the gems should start increasing. So let's see if our gems go up at all, or if this is a scam. So I don't see any increase. Yeah, it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So let's get into the video. I don't do videos anymore, but I had to share this one because it's insane. So let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the tweakmod.com, and this site has horse riding tails modded game. So just type it in and then press install. Now there's one more step, and that is the verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions 100% for free. Then the horse riding tails hack will install and you'll have free gems. How exciting is that? It sounds pretty spicy to me, but let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna let it load up. Okay, so now we're just gonna download 2 apps and we're done. So as you can see, it says missing files, so you're done. So I'll see you later. Just make sure you get 2 of these. You don't have to do the same ones as me, but you gotta do 2 of them. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So see you later, but this one's like follow instructions on next page. So yeah, just make sure you guys do 2 of the apps, and then you'll have the horse riding tails hack.